Why back up your photos?
Losing photos can be devastating. Accidents, phone loss, or damage can happen anytime. Backing up your photos to the cloud ensures your memories are safe and easy to access from any device. It also helps free up storage space on your phone and makes sharing pictures with friends and family effortless.
Choosing the right cloud app.
The popular options include Google Photos, Apple iCloud, and Amazon Photos. Most smartphones come with a built-in cloud service, but you can also download third-party apps. Consider each app's storage limits, pricing, and compatibility with your device. Choose the one that best fits your needs and offers automatic backup features.
Setting up automatic backups.
Enabling automatic backup is easy. Open your chosen cloud app and sign in or create an account. Look for settings labeled Backup or Sync. Turn on Automatic Photo Backup and make sure your app is allowed to access your photos. Your new photos will now upload to the cloud without extra steps.
Tips for a smooth experience.
Connect to Wi-Fi before backing up photos. This avoids using cellular data, especially with large files. Regularly check your cloud storage space and upgrade if needed. Review your backup settings often to ensure everything is working correctly, and set your app to backup videos and edited photos if you want complete coverage.
Restoring and accessing your photos.
Retrieving your photos is simple. Log into your cloud app from any device to view, download, or share pictures. If you switch phones or upgrade, just sign in, and your photos will be there, ready to sync. With regular backups, you never have to worry about losing your precious memories again.